So, good morning. Good morning, Goa. Hi, Sangram.
How are you?
तुमने मुझे बोला था कि जेफा विमेन के क्लोथ्स बना रहा है. बेटर है कि मैं H&M और ये मार्क्स एंड स्पेंसर और ये सब ब्रांड से शॉपिंग करूँ.
मैंने नए बच्चों को सपोर्ट किया था, अब इनका टर्नओवर करोड़ों में है।
अरे तुम अपनी कंपनी को भी सपोर्ट करो, उसका भी टर्नओवर लेके आओ.
अब दिक्कत पता है क्या, मैं शंकर भगवान की तरह हो गया हूँ। शंकर भगवान के अंश है ना हम, तो वो खुद राख लपेटते थे, लोगों को सोने लंका दे देते थे खुश होके।
तो करना क्या है? अभी तुम मुझे बोलते हो कि सोने की लंका में रहूं कि राख लगा के बैठूं. क्या करूं मैं? क्या करूं बाबा?
तुम्हें सब कुछ मिल रहा है ना।
ऐसे थोड़ा होता है, ये परमानेंट बेसिस पे होना चाहिए.
परमानेंट तो कुछ भी नहीं दुनिया में। ना
आ,
परमानेंट देखो, ना परमानेंट जिंदगी है, ना परमानेंट सरकार
ऐसे
है,
नहीं होता.
ना परमानेंट कुछ भी नहीं है। परमानेंट तो एक है, भगवान शंकर, भगवान
तो
राम।
मुझे ये बताओ कि तुम्हारे लोग ऐसे मुझे क्यों इतना प्यार करते हैं कि मेरे साथ इतने पंगे लेते हैं.
देखो भैया, हमारे लोग है ना सब बहुत भोले हैं।
अच्छा, बोले
सुनो
हैं.
तो मेरी बात सुनो। आप प्यार से चाहे उनकी जान ले लो,
अरे
एटीट्यूड में तो भैया वो
मेरा कोई एटीट्यूड नहीं है, ठीक है.
अरे उनको लगता है ना।
नहीं तो फिर अगर उनको लगता है तो उनको अपना दिमाग ठीक कराना चाहिए.
कोई बात
ठीक है. लोग
सुनो,
मतलब मैन्युपुलेशन क्या है? वो मैन्युपुलेशन में तुमको भी बोलती हूँ. मैन्युपुलेशन इज व्हेन पीपल आर bothered about my reaction but they are not bothered कि why I have given that reaction. I have given that reaction for their disrespect. So that is manipulation. Okay? और तुम just because तुम्हारे को फायदा होता है, तुम वो manipulation मेरे साथ भी करते हो.
मेरी बात
So
सुनो।
don't use that.
अरे मेरी बात तो
A
सुनो।
manipulation can a lot of times feel like love. Okay? And I have started recognizing it.
बात तो सुनो मेरी। आप एक साइड से बोलते रहते हो, एक साइड से बस आती रहती हो, दूसरी साइड की रास्ता कहाँ मिलेगा?
मैं एक साइड से जो
सुनो
बोलती
तो।
हूँ ना, वो छक्का मार देती हूँ.
छक्का चौका मुझे पता नहीं, मेरी बात सुनो।
हाँ
अब्दुल कलाम साहब आप जानते हो,
हाँ.
बहुत समझदार इंसान थे। तो अब्दुल कलाम साहब ने एक बात बोली थी, पहले मैं समझदार था तो मैं दुनिया को बदलने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि दुनिया ऐसी क्यों है, क्यों नहीं चलती। बोला फिर थोड़ा सा और समझदार हुआ तो अपने आप को बदलने की कोशिश की। जब अपने आप को बदला तो दुनिया बदल गई।
तो मैं भी तो अपने आप को ही बदल रही हूँ. कल मैं आपके इवेंट में गई, संग्राम के इवेंट में गई, एंड आई डिड वॉट एवर बेस्ट आई कुड डू फॉर देम. ओह माय गॉड, माय चीक्स आर लुकिंग रेड रेड बेबी. व्हाई?
तो खून है तो रेड रेड तो आएगा ना।
लुक एट दैट.
अच्छी बात है।
नहीं, कल मैंने वो मसाज स्पा कराया ना, तो मेरा फेस वो डाउन था ना ऑन दैट मसाज बेड. तो वो जो हेड का, वो जो नेक का होता है ना राउंड राउंड, उससे मेरे फेस को लाल लाल हो गया.
एक खुश रहने का तरीका बताऊं आपको?
क्या? Go on a holiday alone.
Enjoy the process.
Oh, look at him who's telling. Look who's telling me to enjoy the process. So I've come down to do my yoga. You can see my cheeks, they are red. Yesterday I went for the spa and I told them don't put any oil on my face, don't put anything on my face. But they did, I think, try to put something on my face before I stopped them. So this is not right. Anyways, I've put some steroid now on my face. People should learn to take instructions. फिर मैं कुछ बोलूँगी तो बोलेंगे कि मैडम टैंट्रम थ्रो कर रही है. My face has become red. That's how sensitive my face is. So last night when I went to the event, I had put slight makeup because it had become red, and I just didn't want to, make a issue. But I think makeup लगाने से वो अभी और थोड़ा red हो गया है. And I've got up like this way. So my skin is sensitive. I can't do anything. नेक्स्ट टाइम है ना, मैं स्पा करूँ या कुछ करूँ, मैं अपने फेस के ऊपर एक गीला टॉवल रख दूँगी कि कोई मेरे फेस पे गलती से भी हाथ नहीं लगाए. समझ रहे हो? ये लोग गलती से हाथ लगा लेते हैं एंड देन दे से कि मैडम सॉरी. गेटिंग इट? So I have messaged my skin doctor's number, but they haven't still responded to me. But they should be available on that number 24/7 because after all, they run a proper set of 4-5 branches and they have emergency numbers. But I'll wait and watch. I'll do my yoga till then because I know my skin. It might just settle off with the humidity because in the room also the AC cannot be switched off. Centrally AC hotel. So the cold probably could make the cheeks go red. See, I'm not a doctor, nor do I want to become one. I'm just telling you, me and my sensitive skin. Because what happens is that I've seen that lot of lab people, they're not able to inject properly and find the vein when they want to do blood tests. Even here, when I go to the skin doctor, the nurses that are available sometimes, they goof up in finding my nerve. I don't know why. Probably they are trained in-house or they are trained from those nursing centers who don't know how to teach them properly because my skin is very sensitive. So they even goof up while drawing blood. I don't want to like make videos and come across as somebody who's targeting professionals. But I just want to tell everybody, reservations need to end in India because there are substandard colleges, schools of various faculties all over India, and these reservations qualify people who are not even skilled professionals, whether it be a physiotherapist, whether it be a nurse, whether it be a doctor, whether it be a swimming trainer, whether it even be a massage person, therapist. So in life in India, for self-protection, you need reservations to end. Yeah? Because underqualified, underskilled people are becoming professionals as even lawyers in various fields because of reservations. So this needs to end for your own safety and the safety of your coming generations. Two most important things in India that need to be dealt with is corruption and reservations. Because of corruption, inroads happen. Because of reservations, inroads happen. And skilled professionals are not created. So now I have come to eat breakfast. I got so much of AC, I thought let me eat it down before I go up. But Sangram ka event hai na, so lots of people are there. So I'm sitting in a corner. But my face is looking a little better. Can you beat it? So they have some performers out here. Now the face is looking little settled. अब मैं जाके इनके साथ क्या करूँ? What is the point of arguing with them? When I know my skin, I should now just put a towel on my face. My skin doctor has not still called me, so it's okay. In life, we need to understand one's own skin and make peace with what we can do and what we cannot do. It's looking little better now. Can you beat it? Because I can't even go on putting floaty weight on my face. It's a steroid. So I just have to live with this redness till it subsides. The whole thing is, I think my doctor's WhatsApp is also maybe signed on to a laptop. And the WhatsApp replies are through AI or through various people who are handling that WhatsApp because she's a professional. I have not taken her personal number because I've known her for like 12-13 years, but I have not taken personal numbers. But then this is what as professionals we need to understand tomorrow when I build my team. Yes, I would want my privacy when I am working as an artist and, on a vacation with my family. But if I'm running a business, I need to understand who are the trusted people who are handling my WhatsApp, my company WhatsApp, my generalized WhatsApp, because the brand gets affected if people who are representing your company WhatsApp are not replying at the correct time. So, yes, that's a different story once I get a proper team. Till then, I'm learning obviously how things work in the times of WhatsApp. Do you understand? WhatsApp. The skin is looking better. Pile, smile, this is okay. Think as if you've put red rose. Time for shower. Look at this. This is Vashishti farmers building a better tomorrow. Wow, branding. This is helping the Himalayan community sustain. Wow. Apricot jam. This is honey. This is called branding, packaging. Awesome. Lovely.